Welcome! In front of me I have Mibro Watch T1 and I'm gonna show you how to factory reset this watch by using the system settings on it. Before we start, if you want to factory reset your watch, make sure that the battery level on your watch is at least above 20 or 30%, because if the battery dies during the resetting process, it might damage your watch. Now let's continue with the reset. First thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the side button. Once you wake up the screen, press the side button again to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu, find the settings icon, and once you find it, tap on it. In settings, look for the option called the system settings. It's at the bottom of the menu. Tap on it, tap on the system settings, then tap on reset option. So find the reset option and tap on it, and then tap on the check mark to confirm and start the resetting process. So let's tap on the check mark and let's wait until the process is complete. As you can see, after a few seconds we have the list of languages on the screen, which means that the factory reset is complete, and that's how you factory reset this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.